ki khubor ka Bate CTV, lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India, minta ka lami ha ka jinglong batmai, ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking, but ya ki jing tip bakam bnia, one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi, lani phone hau number hinyo not Sahsniang-A, not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Menteri Ketenaga Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jela urakam Sahsniang-A ka khalai trik unok pra ulawan penkut no ke Jinglehkmen Silver Jubilee ne ke jingdap arpusan Snem ke Jinglehkmen ke Kymprup Higher Secondary School Sahsniang-A nadu belaseng Ïaka ka arpun ru trik urampang ka khandai spa khandai pupra. Nolor Menteri urakam Sahsniang-A belong kumukong san jongan ke sengi ladan langru ki MDC ke GHEDC ke bikin thop UMDC ke sok menting ula khon dakhar kumusumbut kongsan UWG sungo beruha bohon dakhar. Ya ke jingalang lepenya du founder singkon balayo ke jingkran no principal ke skolu H kamar bana wahech nong di umbon ha ke jingadan nang kinong song shnong kenthop na do kilong kme long kapa kinong hikai baki khina skol. Haba pai kindiat alo ke jingat lenti ber ke history jong ke skol la ong baswa ka khandai spa khandai pupra la dan tang kowe ke skol ha ke shnong Sahsniang-A ke bede ke government LP school ke ba ai jing hikai ha do class 4. Ki kina skol ki ai pas man Snem nagani skol tama bon na ki kimla ban peteng shu ya ki jing pule na kim kot bor bele shakwe pat ki skol ni shasar kumta ka dor bar shnong la menjur ban seng ya ka skol ka ba on tip ru kum ka Kymprup upper primary school Sahsniang-A ha ka Snem ka khandai spa khandai popra bala pelong skol ha yeng berit jong ka balang presbyterian Sahsniang bat hadien ka ni ka skol ka yo yala ka jong ka yeng skol hasenda bat ka skol ka bamenta.
My dear friends, if we look back to 25 years before, I've been told with the minimum salary, the teachers has worked for you. And your forefather, your leaders has contributed, has worked for you. And because of their contribution, because of their commitment, because of the leaders of the past, we are here today, and this school has reached up to this standard. However, I'm to understand that there are many challenges, and I understand the challenges, the pains felt by the management, by the teaching community, by the students, by the parents, and the students. And therefore, in the days to come, as your memorandum has already submitted, government will definitely examine. Of course, in the memorandum, you have requested for the grant of ad hoc grant for this beautiful RMSA school, but I will direct my officer to do the necessary things, because in the last 10 to 15 years, none of the school in Meghalaya has been granted ad hoc grant to any schools and institutions in the state. But however, after the introduction of the new education policy, from this academic session, from this financial year, we are planning to give some ad hoc grant to some many schools based on the criteria, based on the performance, based on the necessity of the location and of the institutions. Therefore, for all this exercise, I would like to request our headmaster, the principal, and all the teaching staff just to do the necessary due process and to meet the criteria as laid down by the government of Meghalaya. And due course of time, we will examine your demands and government. And I can assure you that government will positively look into that demands have been met by you. As we congratulate you for the milestone journey in the last 25 years, I am sorry to say today, because I am not able to speak neither in Khasi nor in Zaintia, and you also don't know Garu. This is the boundary that we have set from one another. Therefore, the new education policy has drawn the line for us that we should learn more on local language. We should develop more local language. Therefore, I want to request each one of you, beginning from me, we should try to learn more language from others tribes too. Because learning language, it's a blessing for us. My young students, my young friends, it is time for us to learn a multi-dimensional, multidisciplinary course. We should be ready for any kind of challenges. My dear students, as a class 10 students, as a class 12 students, as a class 11 students, you must really ready to face challenges today. This is a time of technology, science and technology. We should be ready to face any challenge. And this time, I want to inform you again, the government of Meghalaya from this year has adopted for adaptation. That means from class 1 onwards, English, Maths, Science, we will use NCERT textbook, but with certain adaptation of the local contents. And next whole year, we will develop our own textbook with our more local content, and which will be the best among the best in the country. Therefore, why we have adopted this? Because most of the competitive examination, be it UPSC, be it IPS, IAS, GMAT, GE, and all the CUT examinations, all national level entrance examination are conducted based on the NCERT textbook, syllabus and curriculum. Therefore, to meet the challenges, we have decided to use the same curriculum, the same textbook with the rest of the country. Therefore, today, if we don't use the same textbook, there is always our students don't perform well in CUT, JE, GMAT, UPSC, all this examination. Therefore, knowing all the challenges, we have decided to adopt for adaptation of the NCERT textbook. Therefore, in all the government under the government of Meghalaya, in all the institutions, be it private, be it a government, be it government aided, those affiliated to Meghalaya Board of School Education, have to use the book recommended by Meghalaya Board of School Education, and also to implement the same. Therefore, today, on this very auspicious occasion, I want to congratulate the management, the principal for this very glorious journey of 25 years.